Involve me. Can you do threesome? Eh? If they carry you out now, they tell you, my babe said that he likes you. Can you do threesome? You go feel run threesome. You not go back to the village and do your own play.
Now, this is somebody's sister, somebody's mother to be, somebody's wife to be, somebody's serious girlfriend, somebody's auntie, somebody's love of their life. When I saw this video, the video itself did not even freak me. When I went to the comment section, I saw what ladies were commenting, my dear. It blew my head. Those comments were written by somebody's sister, somebody's wife to be, somebody's serious girlfriend, somebody's mother to be, somebody's auntie, somebody's best friend, somebody's friend. The internet does not forget. Always remember that.